Hey, buddy. What? What do you see? It's your sister. Here comes Isabel. She moves a lot faster than you do, buddy.
I can go faster.
No, just don't go too fast that you fall.
Well, I have all. Yeah, I have all. Dad, let me show you the flowers. Oh, Dad, you better stop them before you go to the machine.
Should we turn around, bud?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll be up there in a bit, Squirt. How about we turn around, buddy? A car! It's not Grandma. It's not Grandma, though. It's a neighbor. Okay. Joseph, should we turn around and go see the flowers your sister planted with Grandma today? Yeah. Let's turn around, Joseph. You like watching the cars, don't you? Joseph. Too busy watching the cars to pay attention to Daddy. Gotta turn around now, bud. I guess that's one way to do it. You want to turn around? Here, Joseph. Let's turn around. Can you get me? You might need to straighten them out, Squirt. Gently, gently. He's moving pretty good. Just checking out your bike. I think he likes your bike.
Turn, yo, turn. Like that. Straight.
Joseph liked that Mustang.
Potato plant.
Who'd you plant those with?
Grandma and Mama.
Grandma who?
Grandma Cat.
No. Pretty nice. What's the one in the puppy? What kind of plant's that? Do you know?
No. Would I do it? But look at the cat. No, does it? What kind of flower is it? Like the puppy has.
Ah, okay.